Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cooking video for you guys. I'm so excited to do this because I had a similar dish at a vegan restaurant and it was so good. So I thought I'd modify it a little bit to cater to me and you guys, and it's really, really good. So I can't wait to make it. It is a broccoli cauliflower vegan cheese pasta, but obviously with no dairy. It's really good, and these are the ingredients that I'm using. I used cauliflower, broccoli, avocado, minced garlic, turmeric, garlic powder, tomato paste, white vinegar, almond milk, salt, some Miyoko's vegan butter, some gluten-free shell pasta, cashews, some coconut oil, and nutritional yeast. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using, and everything is vegan and vegan friendly. And if you guys also have non-vegan friends, you can also trick them and have them eat vegan food. So I'm excited to do this, and it's going to be yummy.
First, I cut the cauliflower into small pieces so it's easier to be blended. Then I cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Heat the coconut oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. I use the pink Tuxton Home non-stick frying pan. Add in nutritional yeast, tomato paste, garlic, salt, vegan butter, and turmeric. Mix and cook for about a minute. Whisk in the almond milk, then bring to a simmer over medium heat. Add in the cauliflower florets and cashews and let it simmer until the cauliflower is very soft for around 20 minutes. While the cauliflower cashew mix is being cooked, bring a big pot of a little salted water to a boil. Add the pasta shells and cook. Add the cauliflower cashew mix into a blender and add vinegar. Blend for a couple minutes until it looks creamy like a puree. Once the pasta is ready, drain the water and put into a strainer. Serve some pasta into a bowl and pour the vegan cheese puree over it. Top with avocado and steam broccoli. I didn't record the broccoli, but I used a steamer pot to steam some broccoli. And we're all done.
All right guys, so I just finished my vegan broccoli pasta dish with cheese sauce, obviously vegan, so yummy. I put avocado on top. I haven't tried it yet, but I know it's good. Let's try it together. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So yummy. I was so hungry. Oh my god, so good. But I'm gonna go eat, and if you guys want to make this at home, definitely try it. It's pretty simple. You just have to get the ingredients, put it all together, and it takes about 30 minutes to cook. So I hope you guys liked watching this video of me cooking this yummy, yummy vegan dish. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to leave a comment below and thumbs up the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to do more cooking videos and tutorials. It was so much fun. And now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.